Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Write the molecular, structural and skeletal formula for propene C₃H₆. Correct answer is molecular formula C₃H₆, structural formula CH3, CH equals CH2, skeletal formula CH2 equals CH minus CH3. Propene C₃H₆ is a hydrocarbon with 3 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. The molecular formula provides the simplest ratio of the elements present in compound. The structural formula displays the arrangement of atoms in the molecule and indicates the presence of a double bond between the second and third carbon atoms. The skeletal formula simplifies the structure further by representing carbon atoms as junction and omitting hydrogen atoms bonded to carbon, making it easier to visualize the molecule's overall shape. It is important to note that propene belongs to the alkene family of hydrocarbons characterized by the presence of a double bond between carbon atoms. Understanding the molecular structural and skeletal formulas of propene is essential for studying its chemical properties and reactions as well as for application in organic chemistry and industrial processes.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.